Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to fix the iMessage waiting for activation bug. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to use iMessage again, or messages. So, the first thing that we have to make sure of is good Wi-Fi. Make sure that this is on and your airplane mode is off or your cellular data is off. And make sure that you're near the Wi-Fi and you're not far away from it, because if you are, then the connection will loosen and you won't have a good Wi-Fi connection. The next solution that I have for you is swiping up your phone and then swiping out the Messages app. Let's do it on the WhatsApp app. Just do this, and that's basically what you're gonna be doing for this app. And if that doesn't work, I have a better solution that will work 100%. Let's go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset. So once you tap on that, your phone will reset and it'll clear all the bugs, and it will clear all the bugs and viruses that may be causing this glitch or bug, and it will clear the cache. It's basically gonna clean your phone, and it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.